Question number 9, exercise 10.1. Without using distance formula, without using distance formula, so that the points -2, -1, 4, 0, 3, 3 and -3, 2 are the vertices of parallelogram. We have to prove given 4 points are the vertices of parallelogram, and condition is we don't allow to use the distance formula. Distance formula use नहीं करना है. So let's say given points are point A, whose coordinates are -2, -1. B, that is 4, 0. C, 3, 3. And coordinates of point D are -3, 2. Done? These are the 4 vertices of our parallelogram. Diagram. We are taking all the points in order. These are the vertices of parallelogram. So let's say this is our parallelogram. What is parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are parallel. Both pair of opposite sides are parallel. So how can we represent these sides as a parallel sides? By using this arrow. AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DA. This we have to prove. Done? Here we are not allowed to use distance formula. तो दूसरी कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी है जिससे हम ये प्रूव कर सकते हैं? So for that we have to understand or we have to consider the property of parallelogram. So here definition says that if both pair of opposite sides are parallel, then given quadrilateral is said to be a parallelogram. So here we are proving slope of AB is parallel to slope of DC because slope of two lines are equal. Both lines are parallel. Done. So let's find slope of side AB. AB. So it's a y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 formula. So y2 minus y1 0 minus minus 1. So it's a 0 plus 1 upon x2 minus x1 4 minus minus 2. So it's a 4 plus 2. So this is equal to 1 by 6. Slope of line AB is 1 by 6. Slope of line DC. Slope of line DC. Again, this is our x1 y1. This is our x2 y2. Done. लिख देते हैं -3 2. This one is 3 3. So 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 upon 3 minus minus plus 3 plus 3. So 1 by 6. So here slope of AB is equal to slope of DC. We can say AB is parallel to DC. Done. One pair of opposite side is parallel. Now what about second one? Slope of AD and slope of BC. Now slope of line AD. So what is the slope of line AD? This is our -2 -1 and D is -3 -2. So y2 minus y1. So 2 minus minus 1. So it's a 2 plus 1. 2 minus minus 1. 2 plus 1. -3 plus 2. So this is 3 upon -1. This is equal to -3. So slope of line AD is -3. Now find the slope of line BC. Slope of line BC, which is equal to y2 minus y1. 3 minus 0. 3 minus 4. 3 upon -1, which is -3. So here slope of line AD and BC both are equal. Both are equal. If slope of two lines are equal, we can say that both lines are parallel. So AD is parallel to BC. So here both pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other, and therefore we can say this quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. Clear? So here these are the vertices. Point A, B, C, D are the vertices of a parallelogram by using this slope. Done? Next question. Question number 10. So here, find the angle between x-axis and the line joining the points 3 minus 1 and 4 minus 2. We have to find the angle between two lines, and the two lines are x-axis and one line which is passing from the given 2 points. So let's try to draw the diagram. This is our x-axis. This one is y-axis. We have to find the angle between x-axis. So this is our x-axis. This one, x-axis, and the line joining the points 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2. So 3 minus 1 कहाँ पर होगा? 3 minus 1 यहाँ पर, somewhere over here. Suppose this is point A. Whose coordinates are 3 minus 1 and 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 यहाँ पर होगा. Done? These are the 2 points. Line passing from these 2 points. तो ऐसे कुछ होगी, है ना? ये पॉइंट यहाँ पर रखना था. Done? This is one line. So here you have to find the angle between this x-axis and this line, है ना? जो straight line होती है, यहाँ पर थोड़ी इधर-उधर हो गई. ये दोनों के बीच का एंगल. तो देखो आप दो एंगल मिल सकते हैं. या तो आप ये एंगल कंसीडर कर सकते हो, दिस वन, या फिर दिस वन. Done? This is the angle between these two lines. That is angle made by this line L. Suppose angle made by this line L with x-axis, with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, and this is angle made by this line L with x-axis with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Done? दोनों में से कोई एक एंगल आपको फाइंड करना है. तो कैसे करेंगे बोलो? So here this given line L is passing from these 2 points 3 minus 1 and 4 minus 2. So can we find the slope of this line L? Slope of line L मिलेगा. So now slope of line L, because our line L is passing from these 2 points, so we know how to find the slope of line passing from these 2 points. यहाँ पर find किया ऐसे ही. y2 minus y1, formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is our x2 y2 and this is our x1 y1. So y2 minus y1, minus 2 minus minus 1, so minus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. ये क्या होगा? This is equal to minus 1. So slope of this line L is minus 1. Let's say m is equal to minus 1. Done? So if we know the slope of this line, can we find the angle? है ना, angle of inclination find कर सकते हैं, because theta is the angle of inclination, because this theta is nothing but the angle made by this line with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. That is nothing but the theta. From this theta we can obtain this slope, but here we are having this slope. So can we find this theta? Yes or no? Here slope of line is minus 1, therefore we can say this is nothing but the tan theta, है ना. स्लोप m is equal to tan theta. ये समझ में आया? Therefore tan theta equal to minus 1, so it's a minus 10 pi by 4. Done? Minus 10 pi by 4. So therefore tan theta equal to minus 10 pi by 4, so it's a 10 pi minus pi by 4. Done? So this will be equal to tan theta equal to 10 3 pi by 4, and therefore theta equal to 3 pi by 4. रेडियन में आया. डिग्री में फाइंड करना हो तो 3 इंटू 180 by 4, ये 2, ये 90, ये 45. 45 3 are 135. So this one is 135. This angle is angle made by this line with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Measuring clockwise direction, तो ये कितना होगा? 45 डिग्री. डन? तो अब दोनों में से कोई भी एक आंसर लिख सकते हो या फिर दोनों भी लिख सकते हो. इज दैट क्लियर? चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 11. The slope of a line is double of the slope of another line. So two lines are given. Comparison between slope of two lines is given. If the tangent of angle between this given two line is 1 by 3. Tangent of angle between these two line. Suppose angle between given two line is theta. So tangent of this theta is 1 by 3. Find the slope of this line. You have to find the slope of the line. So two lines are given. Let's say these are the given two lines. This is L1 and L2. Done. L1 and L2 are given two lines. Angle between these two lines, suppose this one, acute angle, so theta. Obtuse angle consider करें, so that will be equal to phi. Done. These are the two lines. Now slope of line L1. Suppose slope of line L1 is m1 and slope of line L2 is m2. So here comparison between slope of this given two line is given. Slope of a line is double of slope of another line. Slope of line L1 is m1. So slope of line L2 will be twice of m2, है ना. इसको सपोज m कर दो, है ना, ये m हो गया, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, 2m होगा, डबल. यस और नो. लेट स्लोप ऑफ लाइन L1 दैट इज इक्वल टू m1, उसकी वैल्यू m है. Here we are given that slope of line 2 is double of first line, so it's a twice of m. सिंप्लीफिकेशन में अच्छा रहेगा, है ना. एंड द एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइन इज थीटा, ये अज्यूम किया हमने. एंड एंगल बिटवीन given two lines be the theta. Done. Also we are given that tangent of angle between two lines is 1 by 3. So tangent of angle between two lines, that is tan theta, which is equal to 1 by 3. इतना दिया हुआ है. So question is find the slope of the line. We have to find the value of m. Done. बोलो क्या करेंगे. एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइन वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करें, पता होगा शायद सबको, है ना. क्या फॉर्मूला था. एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइन इज tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2, है ना. ये फॉर्मूला लिखवाया था. tan theta 1 by 3, so it's a 1 by 3 equal to m1 m minus m2 2m upon 1 plus m1 m2 m into 2m into 2m square. Done. Now we have to remove this modulus sign. So how can we remove this modulus sign. So m minus 2m upon 1 plus 2m square. This will be plus or minus 1 by 3, है ना. मॉड्यूलस साइन रिमूव करनी हो तो प्लस और माइनस होगा दोनों. नाउ वी आर हैविंग टू ऑप्शंस. Therefore first one, m minus 2m, that is equal to minus m upon 1 plus 2m square, that is equal to, first time we are taking plus sign, or second time we are taking minus sign. 1 plus 2m square equal to minus 1 by 3. Solve this both the equation, we'll get the value of m. Done. Perform cross multiplication. It's a minus 3m equal to 1 plus 2m square. So this will be 2m square plus 3m plus 1 equal to 0. Factorization by splitting the middle term. So this will be 2m square plus 2m plus m plus 1 equal to 0. first group, second group, 2m common, so m plus 1 common, it's m plus 1 equal to 0, it's a m plus 1, 2m plus 1 equal to 0, therefore we are getting two values, m equal to minus 1 or m equal to minus 1 by 2. Similarly you have to solve this equation है ना, 3 into minus 3m equal to, this will be minus 1 minus 2m square, therefore this will be 2m square है ना, minus का plus minus 3m plus 1 equal to 0. Again splitting the middle term, it's a 2m square minus 2m minus m plus 1 equal to 0. First group, second group. Here 2m is common. It's a m minus 1. Minus 1 is common. M minus 1 equal to 0. This will be m minus 1 to m minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore again we are getting m equal to 1 or m equal to 1 by 2. Done? So by using this both the values, we have to find the values of slope of line L1 and L2. Done? So here if the value of m is minus 1 है ना, if m equal to minus 1, so m1 will be क्या होगा minus 1 and m2 will be minus 2 है ना, 2 into minus 1, and if m equal to minus 1 by 2, so m1 will be minus 1 by 2 and m2 will be 2 into minus 1 by 2, it's a minus 1. Done? Here if m equal to 1, so m1 equal to 1, m2 equal to 2, m2 equal to 2, and if m equal to 1 by 2, then m1 equal to 1 by 2, m2 will be 1. Done? These are the slope of the lines. Is that clear? Next question, question number 12. For question number 12, a line is passing through the x1, y1 and hk point. If the slope of the line is m, we have to prove that k minus y1 equal to m into h minus x1. So what we are given? One line. Suppose this is one line which is passing from these 2 points A and B. Coordinates are given. Coordinates of this point A is x1, y1, and coordinates of this point B are h and k. Done? And slope of this line is m. Slope is m. We have to prove that. क्या प्रूव करना है? Prove that k minus y1 equal to m into h minus x1. बोलो क्या है इसमें? Now line L is given. So what is the slope of line? Slope of line L passing through these two given points, that is equal to m. Formula x1 y1 x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So instead of x2 y2 we are given k. So it's a k minus y1 h minus x1. Perform cross multiplication. So this will be m h minus x1 equal to k minus y1 है ना, साइड चेंज कर दो, k minus y1 equal to m h minus x1. Proved. Question number 13. Question number 13. This is very good question for 2 marks. 13. If 3 points H0, H0, AB and 0K, these 3 points lies on a line. Given 3 points lies on a line. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this statement? 3 points lies on a line. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? These 3 points A, B, C, whose coordinates are H0, coordinates of B, AB, and coordinates of this C, 0K. These 3 points lies on a line, which means these 3 points are collinear points. Therefore, we can say this A, B, C are collinear points. These 3 points are collinear points. Done? So if these 3 points lies on a line, prove that A by H plus B by K equal to 1. ये prove करना है. Done? So now, if these 3 points are collinear points, what we can write? If these 3 points are collinear points, what we can write? Slope of AB equal to slope of line BC. Done? If 3 points are collinear points, we can say AB is parallel to BC and B is common point. ABC are collinear points. So slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Now, slope of line AB, this is our x1, y1, this is our x2, y2. So formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It's a b minus 0 upon a minus h equal to bc k minus b upon 0 minus a. So this will be b upon a minus h equal to, this will be k minus b upon minus a. Done? Simplify it. Cross multiply करो. So it's a minus ab equal to, this will be k minus b into a minus h. Done? Expansion. It's a minus ab equal to, this one is ak minus hk minus ab plus bh. So here minus ab cut, taking this ak and bh as it is and taking hk on the right hand side. So this will be hk equal to ak plus bh. Done? Now here we require 1 and this will be a upon h and this will be b by h. What you have to do? Divide on both sides by hk. So dividing on both sides by hk, this will be 1. Here it's a by h. This will be b by k. Dividing on both sides by hk. hk से divide करो. So you'll get our result. Prove. Understood? Now question number 14. Last question of this exercise. 14. Consider the following population and year graph. Graph is given. है ना? Years versus population in crores. Find the slope of line AB and using it find what will be the population in the year 2010. So graph is given. It is the graph years versus population. This graph is given. So here 2 points are given, point A and point B. 1985 and 92, and coordinates of point B 19 and 95 and 97. डन. ऐसे ग्राफ दिया है, मैंने रफली ड्रॉ कर दिया. So first question, find the slope of line AB. Simple. So what is the slope of line AB? Slope of line AB is nothing but the y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is our x1 y1. This is our x2 y2. So this is equal to क्या होगा? x2 minus y1. 97 minus 92. 97 minus 92 upon 1995 minus 1985. It's a 5 by 10. That is equal to 1 by 2. This is your first answer. है ना? Slope of given line AB is 1 by 2. Done. Second question. And using this slope, this one, using this slope, find what will be the population in the year 2010. What will be the population in the year 2010? तो यहाँ पर सपोज 1985 है, यहाँ पर 1995, तो ऐसे ग्राफ ऐसे एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो यहाँ पर पॉइंट पर कुछ 2010 होगा. So here we are getting some value of y, that is our population. So suppose this is point C. So which are the coordinates of this point C in the year of 2010? In the year of 2010, let's say population is y. So it's a y. Done. So here you have to find the value of this y. So now this is the same line. So here we can say slope of line AB equal to slope of line BC. Yes or no? Can we write like this? Slope of line AB equal to slope of line AC लिखो या फिर BC लिखो. Yes or no? Slope of line AB that we have derived 1 by 2. That will be equal to same as slope of line BC. BC, this is now our x2 y2 and this is our x1 y1. So it's a y minus 97. Y minus 97 upon 2010 minus 1995. Done. This is equal to 1 by 2 equal to y minus 97 2010 minus 1995 कितना होगा 15 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So this will be 15 equal to 2y minus 97 into 2 194. Done. So 2y will be 194 plus 15 कितना होगा 9, 2 plus 1 10 and 1 209. So y will be 209 by 2 4.5. So it's a 104.5. Done. What is 10.5? Population in terms of crores. So this will be 104.5 crores. This will be the population in the year 2010. Clear? स्टूडेंट्स कोई आंसर देगा या फिर मैं मीटिंग एंड करूँ अभी?